You've heard people talk about blockchain. But what is it really? Is it only for Bitcoin? Is it safe? In this video, I'll explain blockchain in a super simple way, using real-life examples so anyone can understand. Stay tuned, and by the end, you'll know exactly how this amazing technology works. Welcome to EduAIverse, where we turn tricky tech into easy learning. Today, we're breaking down blockchain. What is it? Why do people trust it? And how is it used in real life, not just in cryptocurrency? Let's dive in. What is blockchain? Easy words. Think of blockchain as a digital notebook or ledger that records information. But here's the magic. This notebook is shared with many people, and no one can change the notes without everyone knowing. Every time something new is written, it's added as a block in a chain of past records. How does blockchain work? 1. Information is grouped into blocks. 2. Each block is linked to the one before it, like a chain. 3. The chain is stored on many computers. This is called decentralization. 4. Once information is added, it can't be easily changed, making it very secure. Real-life examples, not just Bitcoin. 1. Cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, records transactions on the blockchain. 2. Supply chains track where your food or clothes came from, so you know they're safe. 3. Digital art. NFTs use blockchain to prove who owns a piece of art. 4. Smart contracts, automatic agreements that run by themselves when conditions are met. Why do people trust blockchain? 1. It's hard to cheat because everyone can see the records. 2. It's safe because it's not controlled by one person or company. 3. It's permanent. No one can secretly delete or change records. Blockchain versus traditional database. In a normal database, one person or company controls the data. In blockchain, everyone shares the control. Think of it like a shared Google Doc where everyone sees every change, but no one can secretly edit or erase it. Conclusion: so, blockchain is like a shared, secure notebook that records information in a way that everyone can trust. And it's not just about crypto, it's a powerful tool for many industries. Now, you know the secret behind the blockchain buzz. If this simple guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, comment your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to EduAIverse for more easy tech lessons. Thanks for watching.